It is March, I don't know the exact date, but all the snow was melted, and then one night it started snowing, and now it looks like this. And there's a car over there, buried in the snow, and that's my brother. Could you demonstrate how deep the snow is, Colty? Can fit his arm in there.
Here.
And it seems to be sticking to everything as well. Like the chair. Excuse me. The over here it's all stuck to the railings and stuck to that guy's side there, and we can't see out of any of our windows either. Can barely see out here. Like, I can't see over there. Down the road. Yeah, I can't see anything.
I'm gonna go play in the backyard now. Snow's not very natural anymore.
Okay, so I'm opening the back door now. You can see a little bit more. Definitely stuck to everything. Wow. There was no snow yesterday. It was all melted. Ooh, oh, wind in my face. Wow. Well, I hope this melts soon, because I don't like it. Wow. Okay, I'm going in now. And then this is pretty much what all the windows look like. I can't see out of there. This was a lot worse before.